Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Homeycam application. So without any further ado, let's get started. There are 3 ways to delete this app. The first way is to simply tap and hold on the app. And here you can see app info option, tap on it. Then click on the uninstall option in the bottom section of your screen. And if you're sure, tap on OK button. Similarly, the next way is to go to Settings application, scroll on your screen and go to Apps option. Click on Manage Apps. Now in the search bar, type in Homeycam. And here you can see the uninstall option, tap on it. And if you're sure, tap on OK button. And finally, the last way is to go to Play Store. In the search bar, type in Homeycam. Click on the application. And here you can see uninstall option. Tap on it. And if you're sure, tap on uninstall option once again. So that is how you can uninstall Homeycam application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.